Y'all, we decided to take the kids to Puerto Rico, baby, before they go back to school. So this is us boarding our flight or whatever, you know, click real deep, stop playing with us, HAG gang. This is taking off. Y'all, after 4 hours, we finally landed. When I say everybody was exhausted, and y'all know we don't do right, so we had to find a van to accommodate all of us, y'all. It took us a minute, but here's us. We finally found something. And we finally had made it to our beautiful Airbnb, y'all. I love this Airbnb. Then we remember we ain't had no food and drinks, so we had to go with what we got. I whipped up some macaronis, and I had to wake up and show y'all this beautiful backyard, y'all. This backyard is literally today for.
Man, Jay, them finna get active. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's lit now. Clay. They was scared to jump off them rocks. Why y'all was scared? It ain't 8 feet. I swear we was standing up. Oh,
3, 2, 1, turn me up.
Go, Clay, go.
Let's get it, let's get it. Go, 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 Charlie. Let's get it, Malik. Oh! Big J. Shark Man.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Turn me up. This is Mr. Luis, our driver. Let's get it. Yes, sir.
This is the piece that
What y'all doing?
About 30 minutes. Slides coming down. What up, Mac?
We won with.
Hey, we got Dissy Cups. Ooh, everybody got their Dissy Cup. Good morning.
Hey, I want to get a bell.
Getting to go be talking like that. Oh, you good? All right, now. It's already recording on. Diddy, you gotta come do this. You can. Feel nothing, I'm telling you.
Wow! Wow! Now stay tuned, it's all gonna be lit. All right, Jay. Ready? Start over. Look at him. Yeah! Turn me up. Yeah! Take us some pictures right here. All right, let me see.
Don't do that like that. I'll shoot the shit on.
Ready, Jay? Turn me up. Puerto Rico. Let's get it. Yes, sir.
Turquoise.
We're gonna go to this waterfall.
Oh, that just made my mouth water.
What the hell is that though?
That mofongo, Puerto Rican
Man, that
dish.
shit. Woman.
Y'all, we decided to take the kids to Puerto Rico, baby, before they go back to school. So this is us boarding our flight or whatever, you know, click real deep, stop playing with us, HAG gang. This is taking off.
You don't like that?
Edge of the scale with a
He threw the 8-ball in, bro.
don't cry now, pal.
Puerto Rico, ya tú sabes.
We here now. Look,
HAG takes Puerto Rico day one. Y'all, as you can see, I try to make us color coordinate with cheetah print, but some of the boys just don't do right. Y'all, our tourists had us in the backyard on somebody rock slide. I don't know, but y'all, I did not like that. That was just so scary, and it had me bruised up. Then me and Mac jumped off this cliff. Everybody was just ready to go because we was hungry. Mac had to put that in his eyes, y'all, because he had a bug in there. I don't know how that even happened. But yeah, this us. We finally made it to the restaurant. Everybody getting a rubber-dub-dub on. We was starving. Jay and Mac got me and Asia a bear and a flower today. Look how cute. That's so sweet. Look at this dude, y'all. He don't even know what he eating. He eat anything he see. Then look at him. Monkey see, monkey do. Literally. Just look retarded. But we went ahead and just went to the beach real quick. After that, everybody was just over it. We was exhausted. So we went ahead and went home. Took a little Clorox bath because, baby, we was in all type of germs today. Then me and Mac wound it down and looked at our pictures that we took today.
Bye-bye. Come back again soon, okay?